guys, we are here at Silent 55. Gonna check out this brand new Premier catamaran and show you what it's all about. I'm here with Franz. Please introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Franz. I work in marketing and sales for the European team.
And he's gonna show you around. We're gonna ask him difficult questions that hopefully he can answer. Take it
Let's
away.
go.
I guess we're gonna go forward first.
This is a Silent 55.
Mm-hmm.
We have 10 kilowatt peak solar panels on top of this one.
Okay, yeah, saw them from above.
Yeah. 2 months ago, in September, we launched the Silent 60, which has 16 kilowatt peak of solar
Okay.
panels. And on the 60, everything is just a little bigger. Right?
Got it.
Yeah.
But
5 feet more.
yeah, 5 feet more makes a big difference. This is very nice and spacious. I like how this is actually flipped and gives you a little more room and put chairs around. It's nice. Tell us what makes it silent.
The main difference is that we get all our energy needs from the solar panels.
Okay.
We can run the boat and we can use all household appliances just with the energy from the solar panels.
Okay.
We have battery storages here, 210 kilowatt hours.
Okay.
3 compartments over here. I can show you.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. There we
Yeah.
go. A bunch of batteries.
They are from MG Electronics. It's a Dutch brand. We are silent because we have electric motors
Okay.
and we don't have fuel. We have no vibrations.
Everything on this boat, including propulsion, is operated electric.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
What's the cruising speed of the boat?
Between 8 and 10 knots.
Okay. That's cruising, and what's the top speed?
The top speed of this one is 17 knots.
17.
17,
Oh, that's
yes.
a big difference between cruising and top speed. So how long can it go top speed?
Top speed? Well, at top speed you can't go that long, but
Obviously,
this is not what
yeah.
the boat is built for.
Let's
It's-
say cruising speed. Let's start there.
It depends. At 5 knots, you basically have an unlimited range.
Because it's
Because-
constantly charging.
It's constantly charging, exactly. At 70 knots, we can go for a long period of time, but that's not the usual case.
Right.
We do between 8 and 10 knots, a couple of hours a day. We can use the AC and all the other appliances during the day. The fridge is running, no problem at all. That's how a typical day
Right.
looks
So
like.
if you're not running their air conditioning and if you are cruising at, let's say, 8 knots, what is the range?
On solar energy, only 8 knots, we could do about 11 hours.
11 hours. Okay.
11
Well,
hours,
that's a good amount of time.
Yes.
So obviously you've got backup.
Generator. yes,
Generator,
100
okay.
kilowatt.
So this is the master.
No.
No.
We have 2 cabins on this
Yeah.
side, the VIP cabin on the other side, and the master cabin in the front of
Oh,
it.
in the front.
Yes,
Oh, cool.
4 cabins.
Very cool. Okay.
the electric motors, 250 kilowatt. This, like I said, this Silent 55 is the e-power version, meaning 250 kilowatt e-motors and 210 kilowatt hours battery capacity.
The VIP cabin, see the other side?
So again, we're on the 55, right?
Yeah, this is the 55.
This is
Feels pretty good, huh?
pretty roomy.
Welcome to the VIP cabin. This is a really good size cabin. Really
It
good
is.
size VIP.
Absolutely,
Wow,
especially the bathroom.
totally. Oh, I see the master.
Yeah, yeah.
The forward masters are always interesting to me. Huh. This one actually has a good amount of headroom. Really interesting. Very good amount of headroom. This is more than I've seen on some other ones that have it forward. And let's check this out.
Okay.
This is good. But it's a 4-cabin version. It definitely feels like a master because it feels a little different and it does have a little bit more of a flow versus kind of an equal. On the 55, you'll have like an equal sort of cabin. So yeah, this is a good amount of space. Nice shower behind. There are a couple of hatches right there, which is probably really nice to open up for airflow, because obviously this doesn't open, but you got a hatch here, hatch there, so that's actually probably creating a good amount of circulation here. Besides, you can run air conditioning all the time and not worry about anything, so that's kind of nice. So what's really cool about this layout is that obviously this window opens as, you know, kind of a standard way that we used to, but also this window opens and there's like a super cool little bench there that you can just hang out. It's pretty awesome. Love that. Love the way the galley is laid out. It feels like a really good amount of space, full-size fridge. What size is this boat?
This is the 80 feet Silent 80, but the 3-deck version. We launched the 3-deck in Cannes this year as well.
Okay.
And here you have the 3rd deck, as you can see.
Mhm.
This is the open version. You can also get it as an enclosed version, so you have another floor with air conditioning cooled.
Right.
And yeah, also this floor can be customized to your needs. For example, you could build in there a master suite with a 360-degree view.
Okay. So the solar panels on this boat look just like that. So they're flash built-in. Looks like that on
Yes.
this boat as well.
But yes, same as
Okay.
here.
I have a question, technical question for you. So with solar panels, I keep hearing that as soon as you kind of mount them into something, that the biggest issue with losing capacity is if they're not breathing. So how
Yes.
do you guys resolve the issue of them being just flash mounted and not having the space to cool down?
If we record it upstairs, you will see that between every solar panel there's enough space that wind flows through it.
Wind flows. So
yes.
they're not like together.
No,
like
no, no.
Okay, so
They
there's
don't
space.
open.
We go up to the flybridge.
you can lower this down
Yeah.
so that you have one complete flat roof.
What is the use of that and the purpose?
Then you don't have also no shadow on the solar panels from
Ah,
the flybridge. And if you want to do that, you just push down the helm station.
right.
You just fold this down and this down,
Mhm.
and then you are ready to go to just flat it down hydraulically.
So you just unhook it and then it's electric or
Hydraulic, yes.
Hydraulic.
Electric. Yes.
electric? Okay. Very interesting. Never seen that done. That's very interesting concept. The length, the beam of the boat,
The length of this boat is 16.7, so almost
Meters.
70 meters long,
Mhm.
and the beam is almost 9 meters.
okay, almost
meter
9
width.
meters. Okay. How many of these have you guys made? Is this the first one?
No, this is the sixth.
So this
The
is hull
sixth.
6.
This is hull number 6.
Okay,
Exactly. And two more are in line for the 55.
got it.
We also have 6 orders for the Silent 60
Okay,
that we launched.
that
in
you
Cannes.
just launched.
Exactly.
Very cool. People are obviously loving it and interested in it. And where most of the boats are going? Is it Europe? Is it Bahamas, Florida?
Well, this one is sold and will stay in this area,
Mhm.
in Florida and in the Caribbean Sea. So almost everywhere around the world, but of course the Mediterranean, Greece, and the Caribbean are favorite places.
Got it. So there's a few of them are staying in the Med. And,
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna be cruising around. I know you have the 60, the 55.
Yes.
What other models?
So now we do have 6 models in total.
Mhm.
We have the 44, 55, 60, 80, and what you saw inside on the scale model, the 83 deck.
Awesome. Very cool. Well, thank you so much. It was such a pleasure.
You're welcome.
You guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And we will see you later. Hi, guys.
And the electric.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I know, we're going to do that. Actually, we should do that now. Let's do that now.
You think?
Yeah, that's really cool. I really like that's. You want to walk in? So fuel. Yeah, that
As
makes
long as
sense.
the generator is running,
Stupid
it's
question.
starting
Got
the
it.
batteries.
It is hot. I feel like I'm losing my mind a little.
So this is
This is in case you want to watch somebody. In case you need a partner.
you never know.
You never know. Hi.